Hello everyone, my name is Amala and today I will show you how to find secret information on Instagram profile. You can do this for fun, for security, for checking up on someone. I don't really care, I'm here to show you. So I will do it on my computer, but you can do it also on your phone. I will tell you how. It's almost the same, it has a few different details. First step is of course to go on Instagram. Then you need to log in on the profile you want to check up. After that you go on the settings. On your phone it will be the same settings. After that you go on the left, you have privacy and security. On your phone it will be just security. It doesn't really matter which phone it is, Apple, Android or whatever, it will be security. You click on privacy and security in my case and you scroll down a little. Then you found account data. On your phone it will be access data and you click on that. So then you get all this data. On the top, on your phone it will be just in one row, but here on the top left side we have password changers, former email addresses and stuff like that. On the right side you have some boring stuff that you can find easily. It's, for example, accounts you follow, hashtags or something. So then you scroll it down a little, and then on the left side you have former usernames, former full names, former bio texts, and all this stuff. This stuff cannot be changed. For example, we have search history here, and when you search it on the search, you can easily delete it or clear it. But here it can't be edited, it can't be deleted, it can't be modified. It is how it is. So I will show you, for example, on logins. It's really cool because you can use it for security. I will show you here. So you have all your data from the moment you made your Instagram. For example, logins. You can click here, view more. It will be the same on your phone and it will show more data. And you can go however you have. Of course, you can go also on your logouts. It's the same stuff. So, and down there you also can search all your posts, emoji sliders that you did. So it's cool, really fun. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope this helped you a little. If it did, you can like, subscribe or comment, or if you don't like it, you can unlike it. So thank you very much for watching and see you again. Bye!